This is a review of the cat food that's made with real chicken that I'm going to be doing a review about. And this review, we're going to explain pretty much everything about this, the cat food in general. Now, one of the first things I want to explain about this cat food is that it's like I mentioned before, it's made with real chicken. So obviously, I get this for my cat, and my cat likes it, and it says like meat on it as well too. So it's like some taste of something like that made with real chicken and some meat. And I'm not exactly sure on the cat likes it, and it eats it a lot, it loves it, and it comes with 12 of them as well too, like pretty much a 12 can pack, 5.5 ounces, like it mentions right here in the description. And like I mentioned before, 12 of them, and it mentions about the meats, and there's some like good qualities about this that it explains to you, like pretty much it's like some ingredients that something like where the cat likes it. But overall, if you're looking for cat food in general, then this is by far right here, this one right here is probably one of the best ones you could get so far. My cat likes it, eats it pretty much every single day. It always asks for more cans of cat food. And I would definitely recommend this product if you're looking for something to feed your cat. Then this cat food right here is probably one of the best and tasty foods that you could get for your cat, and I would definitely recommend this.